Hello everybody, welcome to my November kit lineup. I don't know why I'm filming this video, honestly. I probably should just skip it, but because I am a completionist and I don't know, I've been filming these kit lineups and I feel obligated to film it, but y'all, hear me out. This thing is not complete. I don't know what's happening. November is just gone, lost. I'm gonna show you everything that I have so far, but my December kit lineup is gonna be December/November because y'all, I don't know what I'm doing. I am stressed. Christmas has completely taken over. I had the Friendsgiving kit in here. I had to pull it, which like breaks my heart because I'm obsessed with it, but the Christmas art this year was so gosh dang good, y'all. I don't even want to talk about it. So let's just get into what I have. I hope you still enjoy, but just know this has been a struggle. So the first full week of November, November 7th through the 13th, I am using Holiday Prep from Scribble Prints Co. This kit is so dang cute, and I feel as though it is very good for November because it's holiday prep time, you know what I'm saying? Like, you're purchasing your wrapping paper, you're getting some cookies ready. Hey, this could be Thanksgiving. I'm not gonna judge. Love these girls. Love the colors of this kit. It's so gorgeous. I knew that I wanted to use it, and I felt as though November was a perfect time. So that's what I did. Do I have anything for this yet? No. So I say this a lot. When I'm filling orders and somebody orders a kit with like a foil bundle that's like slightly different, I stare at it for a second and I'm like, wait, that's actually really pretty. So I only saw one person, but I mean, obviously like people might have already have this foil at home. So this is just what I'm saying. But I saw one order that had this with copper and I was like, ooh, I like that. So I think I'm gonna pull copper with this. I think I'm gonna do copper sparkle potentially. And I am gonna purchase the houndstooth. So I have the houndstooth underlays from Planet Hannah. I just don't have them in copper, or even olive green would be so pretty with this. This is gold. I do have a code with Hannah. You can use the code fantasy15 to save 15% off, as well as get my freebie, or you can put Fantasy or Kirsten in the notes if she's already having a sale, and you'll still get my freebie. Anywho, houndstooth obviously is perfect with this kit. However, I only have houndstooth in gold and silver, so I'm thinking I'm gonna get that in olive and then pull in copper from SPC. I think that's gonna be my move. I think it's gonna look really good. Excuse me as I hiccup. So yeah, that's November 7th through the 13th. Okay, so November 14th through the 20th. I actually don't have this kit with me at this current time that I'm filming this. However, I'll have it literally in like 2 days. I just haven't brought it home yet, but it's the Merry Mistletoe kit from SPC. Do you see this? Oh, okay, so this kit is gonna be November 14th through the 20th. Just envision it. It's beautiful, it's lovely, it's purples and gorgeous. Okay, I don't even know what foil I'm doing with it yet. I need to own it. I need to physically hold it in my hands to be able to like decide on the foil, but I digress. Moving on to November 21st to the 27th, I am using, this is the only week I have everything ready for. I'm using Believe from SPC. This is the Ted Lasso themed kit. The World Cup starts this week. It is incredibly important to me. This is my only like soccer themed kit because I do believe if you care about the World Cup and are super interested in it, or if you like don't care about the World Cup and you don't have a kit that you want to use this particular week for some reason, there is the Biggest Fan kit, which is like really cute from SPC. I still feel like I might use that again in the future. I really love it. But I think this is perfect because it's like basically red and blue, which is USA colors. USA is in the World Cup this year. Their first game is literally this Monday against Wales. I'm stressed. It's okay. So I just love this. I love this a ton. I'm just imagining these as like players. So I'm using the Believe kit. I'm very excited. This has been planned out for like ever. I for some reason didn't pull it, but I do have the red and blue sparkle mixed metal foil bundle from SPC that I'll probably throw in with this. But I do have my underlays already. These are the Soccer 2 underlays from Planet Hannah. I have them in her blue as well as her sparkly red. I mean, gorgeous. I'm so excited. And then I have some overlays. These are the Ted overlays, both in red and blue, but I still feel like I could probably buy these in like core colors too and just use them because I love them. But yeah, I basically bought this all specifically for this week. I don't know why I didn't pull out that red and blue bundle, and I feel a little silly now because that's like the only completed thing I have. So yeah, that's gonna be my like Thanksgiving week because the World Cup does preside. It's only every 4 years. So November 21st to the 27th. Then we move on to the last week of November, which is November 28th through December 4th. SPC sleigh bells. I also didn't pull the foil bundle. Y'all, I am like very not into it today, but I'm also very like considering other things. This sleigh bells kit, I saw this kit printed and I was like, oh boy. Like it almost took the breath out of me. This kit is so beautiful. It's screaming for matte bronze and rose gold. The shimmer foil bundle, the mixed metal of matte bronze and rose gold, screaming for this. So I'll probably use that. I'll maybe get like a feel for what the papers are in this kit and maybe pull in some Plain Hannah stuff, especially just because I love underlays so dang much. Or maybe I'll just use that foil bundle, honestly, because it might just be perfect with this. So sleigh bells is going to be my November 28th through the 4th. So in case you need a refresher, do you? I don't know. November 7th through the 13th, holiday prep. November 14th through the 20th. Is it called Merry Mistletoe? Possibly. It's coming. November 21st to the 27th, believe, with red and blue, because like you have to. And November 28th through December 4th, sleigh bells with matte bronze and rose gold, which I do have. I just don't know where I put it and I'm annoyed. But yes, so my November is a mess. Did I need to upload this? No, but here I am. I'm still gonna show it to you and I hope you still enjoy. So yeah, my December is basically done. I just have to purchase underlays, which I think I'm gonna do right now. I'm literally just gonna take this downstairs, sit on my computer and just figure it out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Nonetheless, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye guys.